Hey guys, Dr. Alex Tatum here. I'm a urologist with Urology of Indiana, and today we're going to talk about how to use your UroPrime at-home mail-in urine collection kit. If you're enrolled in our UroPrime program, this is what you'll use to mail in your specimen. If you want more details on our UroPrime program, check out the link in the top right-hand corner of your screen or in the description down below. Now let's get started with your mail-in kit. Each kit comes with about 5 or 6 key items. Your envelope may look something like this. Inside this envelope, there will be a plastic bag that contains your urine collection cup and the vacuum container. Let's go ahead and let's open this to make it a little easier to see. So inside that bag, you'll have the urine collection cup itself, a vacuum container, and then an antiseptic towelette that you'll use to wipe before collecting your specimen. Next, you should have a sheet of paper that contains your lab work order form. This is what's required to process your specimen. Make sure not to lose this. You should also have a biohazard bag. Now this biohazard bag will have a patient label on the front. You'll need this later. You'll also have a paper towel inside this bag. We'll talk about how we're going to use that. You'll have an inner envelope, which everything will go into before it's mailed, and then the outer envelope. The outer envelope is the colored envelope that FedEx actually uses to ship the specimen itself. So this is how to collect and ship your specimen. Let's start off with the collection cup itself. Your collection should be a midstream catch, and you should use the antiseptic towelette to wipe yourself first. Make sure to not touch the inside of the cup, as this could affect test results. Once you've collected your specimen, screw the cap on tight. Now we're going to use the vacuum container. Alright, so now we have our specimen. Don't worry, this one's lemonade. But the way this works is that if you look at the top of the collection cup right here, you'll be able to see a sticker. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna slowly peel that sticker back to expose the pin. This pin is a small needle, and it's what we're gonna use to fill our vacuum container. So what you wanna do after you removed your sticker is to hold your urine collection cup upright. Now take your vacuum container, hold it upside down, and gently place it on top of the needle like so. So you can see where we're gonna put our vacuum container right here. We're going to go ahead and gently place our vacuum container on top of that needle. Once it's full, gently remove it. And there you go. Now you've got your vacuum container containing your specimen. This is what you're actually going to mail off. You can throw away your collection cup at this point. Now, you're going to want to look at your patient label that came with your kit. Go ahead and detach this from wherever it was stuck and make sure to apply it evenly to your vacuum container. Generally it works if you place it like so. We're going to go ahead, gently wrap it around so that our label correctly identifies our vacuum container. Go ahead and take your vacuum container with the label applied and wrap the paper towel around it. Go ahead and take this wrapped vacuum container and put it inside the biohazard bag. You then want to seal the biohazard bag before putting it into the white inner envelope. Now take your biohazard bag and go ahead and slide that into the inner envelope that was included. Go ahead and include your lab work as well, as this is needed in order to process your specimen appropriately. You can then go ahead and seal this up. With your inner envelope sealed, containing the biohazard bag, which also has your specimen, and your lab order sheet, go ahead and put this inside the colored FedEx envelope, also known as the Clinipack. Make sure to seal this well. Now that you've got your sealed outer envelope, your specimen is ready for shipment. This can be done by either dropping this off at a FedEx drop-off location or by having FedEx come and pick it up from your house. You can find your closest FedEx drop-off location at the FedEx website. You can also use the FedEx website to arrange for a pickup from your home. A link will be provided in the description down below. Now once our lab receives your specimen, it'll take us about 24 to 48 hours to process things. Afterwards, we'll be able to identify what bacteria is causing the infection and what antibiotic is best for treatment. This will let us know if the antibiotic you're currently taking is appropriate or if something needs to change. A member of our team will reach out with your test results. So there you go. That's how you use the UroPrime at-home mail-in urine collection kit. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office. Once your UTI has been successfully treated, our office will provide you with another kit in case you should develop another UTI in the future. So, until next time, this is Dr. Alex Tatum, signing off.